Are you struggling to resist those tempting chocolate bars, crisps, and fries in the supermarket? Well, there might be a scientific reason behind your cravings. Recent research conducted by the Max Planck Institute for Metabolism Research in collaboration with Yale University sheds light on why we tend to gravitate towards unhealthy and fattening foods. It turns out that our brains play a significant role in shaping our food preferences. The study reveals that foods high in fat and sugar can actually rewire our brains, making us crave them even more. But how does this preference develop? To test this hypothesis, researchers divided volunteers into two groups. One group received a small pudding with high fat and sugar content, while the other group received a pudding with the same number of calories but less fat. Over 8 weeks, the researchers measured the participants' brain activity before and during the study. Astonishingly, the group consuming the high-fat and high-sugar pudding experienced a significant increase in brain activity in response to these foods. Specifically, the dopaminergic system, responsible for motivation and reward, was heavily activated. This means that our brains unconsciously learn to prefer these rewarding, but unhealthy, foods. Interestingly, the participants did not gain more weight or experience changes in their blood values during the study. However, the researchers believe that the brain's preference for sugary foods may persist even after the study ends. You see, when we learn something, new neural connections form in the brain, and they don't dissolve easily. But don't worry. Understanding how our brain's preferences develop gives us the power to make positive changes. By consciously making healthier choices, we can gradually rewire our brains to prefer nutritious and wholesome foods. It's not an overnight process, but with dedication and consistency, we can reshape our food preferences for the better. Remember, your food preferences are not set in stone. So, next time you're at the supermarket, try to resist the allure of those high-fat and high-sugar treats. Instead, opt for fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Making healthier choices is an investment in your long-term well-being. Let's take control of our food preferences and nourish our bodies with the fuel they truly deserve. Choose healthier foods, rewire your brain,